Alright, today's the day, the final countdown. So, we said goodbye to the good old one-wheel mobile KTM EXC. We got ourselves a new toy. She's fast, she likes wheelies, and she's a little more comfortable than the typical crotch rocket. So, shout out to Quick Shift for hooking me up with this sweet FZ09, baby. Look at that. Woo-wee. Can't even get in the shot, I'll ruin it. Picked her up about 2 hours ago. And here we are, revealing the new FZ09 to you guys. It's a 2014 FZ09 with 2,500 miles. So, got a great deal. If you're ever in the Orange County or LA County area, hit up Quick Shift. They definitely hooked me up. Deal unlike no other. They do repairs, service, and they sell motorcycles. So I got this bad boy. So I bought this bike with a few upgrades. Unfortunately, the exhaust is stock. This bike, I will say, is very quiet, and it's kind of annoying because when you're riding, it's kind of hard to tell when to shift. So you gotta kind of pay attention to the RPMs. But it came with the billet aluminum, unbreakable levers, Puig black windscreen, oops, and a full fender eliminator with these nice LED blinkers in the front and the rear. Frame sliders in the mid, and then the bark busters in the front and the rear. And yeah, so a few more upgrades. Hopefully I can get an exhaust. That would be sweet. And then maybe some wheel upgrades, because I don't know if I'm a fan of the blue yet. But it might grow on me, we'll see. But I'm stoked. Yeah, motorcycles. Well, we all know why I got the FZ09. And that's simply because it's a one-wheeled beast. Alright, Froadin Boyz, so that's it for today's revealing of the beautiful FZ09. Look for plenty more vlogs to come now that our range has infinitely increased, since I don't have to worry about reliability issues like the KTM breaking down all the time. So yeah, look for that in the future, and give us a follow on Instagram at Froadin_Boyz, and obviously subscribe. And also, if you want, go check out Quick Shift Moto's Instagram at Quick Shift Moto. So that's where I got the bike. They're awesome. Hook me up, and yeah, see you guys later.